The Eisler Crepe Maker was designed with functionality and appearance in mind. It brings the user consistent and impressive performance through utilizing modern technology. Take your taste buds on an exotic journey. You can make crepes, blintzes, or pancakes, all from the comfort of your own home. It features a 12-inch nonstick coating that provides a convenient solution to making a quick and healthy morning breakfast. It can also cook steaks, bacon, eggs, pizza, and more. It provides even heat distribution. The rubber base ensures anti-slip use and steady countertops. Making crepes is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply pour the correct amount of batter onto the surface. Next, using a circular motion, spread the batter. The provided spatula makes it easy to flip and fold your crepes. Eisler breakfast just got easier. Setting up your product. First, unbox the product and check for any missing accessories. Second, wipe down the non-stick surface with a clean, warm, wet cloth. Third, dry the 12-inch surface. Fourth, plug in the crepe maker. Fifth, prior to cooking, wipe non-stick plates with the butter or the cooking oil of your choice. Sixth, when done cooking, unplug and let the surface cool in a safe place. Seventh, store in a dry place or in the product packaging. Get ready for simple and delicious meals with Eisler.
Sultan's Crepe and Tortilla Maker gives you the tool to create kitchen masterpieces, from a gourmet breakfast to delicious desserts and exotic dinners. A crepe is the French version of a pancake. They're thin and you can use either a sweet or a savory batter, and they're really easy to make if you have the Sultan Crepe and Tortilla Maker. Let me show you. What you do is you take the base and you dip it in the batter for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And then you put it back on the base and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Once the steam disappears, or in about a minute or two, you're ready to stack. If you have ever tried to make crepes in a traditional pan, you know how difficult it can be. With the Sultan, they're perfect every time. Just dip, cook, and stack. Then the fun part is decorating them. You can serve crepes in so many different ways, so have fun with it. You can fold them, you can roll them, and you can stuff them. My favorite is a cream cheese filling with fresh berries, and oh my goodness, so delicious. The crepe maker is also great for tortillas. Use the recipe in the recipe book that comes with it for corn tortilla batter, and then dip, cook, and stack. Perfect for enchiladas or even tacos. Any unused crepes will keep in the refrigerator for a few days or in the freezer for up to a month. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and easy to store. So try the Sultan Crepe and Tortilla Maker today. Bon appetit!